And without going into the names, have you personally come across any politicians who have hobnobbed or who are seen hobnobbing with?
That let's not name a particular one. A kind of a competition started between themselves. अरे वो तो उसको उसके साथ मिल गया, उसकी वजह से उसके मोहल्ले में उसकी दादागिरी हो रहा है, वो वहाँ पे वोट करवा देगा, यहाँ पे वोट नहीं करवा पाऊंगा, यहाँ से वो हो गया, मतलब दैट काइंड ऑफ मैंने हो गया जब, तो फिर ये इट इज लाइक नो इंडिविजुअल पर्सन. देयर आर, आई मीन, इफ यू गो एंड स्टार्ट आस्किंग पीपल हु मैटर ऑन ग्राउंड, and there would be hundreds of such examples in which you will find that there have been linkages, they have been talking to each other. I mean, it is like this, that we know that in the mainland there have been nexuses between politics and criminal gangs, but that nexus is certainly nowhere near national security. They're more like crime. They have serious jeopardizing effect. Everybody, it's a open discussion which all well-meaning citizens do. But in Kashmir, this nexus is, if it comes to, and as it was developing with terrorists outfits, gun wielding terrorist outfits or separatist outfits, in a manner in which you were trying to intimidate the other. It was a competition between them only. Like the Prime Minister says, that one of his ambition is that thousands of youngsters with no political background, with no affiliation, no experience whatsoever, would like political startup. कश्मीर में तो कभी संभव ही नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि वो तो आप तो उनके साथ किसी के साथ आपके साथ सांठगांठ नहीं है. तो जब मेन मेजर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज themselves have started having linkages this way or that way, जो कम ज़्यादा, बाहर ऊपर, ओवट कोवट, इम्प्लिसिट एक्सप्लिसिट, तो फिर कैसे होगा ये काम? तो खत्म हो जाएगा ना बात.